Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update for Tuesday 16th of August. Now I'm looking at this pattern here for OP right now, and I don't know, you can actually say that you're putting this some sort of a bear flag for OP right now, and you can already see the prices are actually coming down like this, move a little bit higher, break down, and I do think that's almost a bear flag that is broken out at the moment. But yesterday I talked about the demand box. Okay, so let's go back to the demand box right now. And I'm not necessarily saying that you're going to drop just straight away, but I'm going to tell you when it's possible for you to drop. I do think OP is looking a little bit positive right now. There could be a chance of actually going a little bit higher. Who knows? Okay. But the thing is, there's a small, tiny level that you're failing to break, and that's going to be this level right here because there's a little bit of resistance right now. It came down like this, went up, came down, broke it to the downside, and went up, and you're getting rejected right now. So what you want to see for a continuation is probably come up here, break this level, come like this, and move sideways like that, and you're going to be putting in the left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder right there. And if you do something like that one, then you're going to be breaking out of this level, and the next technical target, if you do so, that can actually take you from there to there, and you're looking to come up here to nearly $2 maybe, and that can actually be a nice trade, little bit of a 20% move up. So the thing is, what I'm going to say is that if you want to actually, go lower, then in my opinion, guys, if you ever see OP trying to come below and take up this level 1.372, I do think it's going to actually go a little bit lower then, and that could actually be an indicator that you're looking to come down to this 55 level and touch the 55 and potentially go back up. That's pretty much it for this update. Hopefully that inverted and shoulder plays out. It's just an opinion, but we're going to see what happens next. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.